and welcome to another edition of ClinCheck Theater Thursday. I am your host, Dr. David Galler. Today we're going to take a look at an interesting concept. All right, this is a case that no posterior teeth on the bottom. Okay, we can do it. And obviously what we want to do is we want to align those lower anterior teeth and we want to intrude those lower anterior teeth. Now, ideally we need molars here for anchorage and to get a full coverage, and these things get really hard to take in and out because they're so small. But, you got to do what you got to do. You got to play what you got to play. All right, here's the key. Watch these teeth, though. Watch the movement inherent on these teeth. Okay. Do you see how the lower anterior teeth are intruding and at the same time the premolars and the canines are intruding? This is not going to work. This is not going to work. Forget about the fact that it's a black movement and you're trying to jam a canine down, almost more than 1 millimeter, which is, picks up a blue dot, and these guys are going more than almost 3 millimeters, which gets you a blue dot. If everyone in the mouth is moving in the same direction, nobody's moving nowhere. Basically, the tray just keeps getting lower and lower and lower. In order for orthodontics to work, you need certain teeth moving, and you need certain teeth what we'll call anchorage. They stay where they are. They are the light pole, and everyone else is holding on to them and moving. Now, sometimes those light poles give out and, we wind up with unwanted movements. But if everybody's moving in the same direction, all these trays almost look the same, and this thing will get to about aligner number 6 before it stops fitting. Okay? If everyone's moving in the same direction, nobody's moving. What this case needs: freeze this tooth, freeze that tooth, freeze this tooth, have them be our anchors, use the power to jam the anterior teeth down. Then, once we restore the molars over here, then we can hold on to the molars and we can intrude the canine and the premolars, kind of in a two-step approach. Again, let's go with our learning lesson. If everyone's moving in the same direction, no one's moving. Thanks very much. This has been ClinCheck Theater Thursday, and I am your host, Dr. David Galler.